Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to create a Spotify account on iPhone. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first thing first, you have to download the Spotify apps. It's the green icon with 3 curved black lines inside. And now open it. And then if you're done, tap on sign up free here. And you will enter the create account page. You have to type your email address. And I'm gonna type my email right now. After that, the next button will change to the white color and tap on it. And now create your password to your Spotify account and tap next again. This part will be ask your personal information. Select your date of birth, 1st January. And if you're done, you have to tap next again. Tap done or next and tap create account here in the bottom of your screen. Wait for a minute. And in this page, as the title, you have to choose 3 or more artists you like. I'll choose Tyler here, and then Selena and Miley. It's optional, you can add more than 3 artists, but I'm gonna skip it. Tap on done. You can choose you want to turn on the notifications or not. And here I'm gonna choose not now. And yeah, now you already have an account and you can use your Spotify apps. So yeah guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.